Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is July 26, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right. Happy birthday, Tori. Tori is my son, and today is his birthday. Throw that out there. But let's just go ahead and jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Let's maximize this quarterly chart. Boom. What we see is that the market closed still just below a yearly R1. We are still making new highs, and we're still looking green. This market still looks like it's very bullish and going higher. Let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we're still like above the 9-10 moving average and all. That's this blue line here. We still look like we're going higher, higher lows, higher highs. We're still quite a ways away from this quarterly R1. So this thing got quite a ways to go here. So I do expect this market to at least go to an R1 level here and all. So again, up and away. Let's go ahead and go down here to this weekly chart and see what we see there. Oh, what did I just do? I'm tired. That's what I did. Let me delete that. On this weekly chart, as we can see, we did make a new high this week. Boom, boom, boom. Zoom in a little bit here. See, new high, weekly, new week, new high. That's becoming the thing. New week, new high. We're above monthly R1. These are monthly pivots here, and we're going to a monthly R2, and look like this month. That's pretty extended, as you can see. When the market is really hot, it gets to an R2 level, and look like we're going to hit that this month. And we got one more week. Look like we're going to hit it this month. That's the whole thing. So be careful, about, on that call side, selling calls and stuff, trying to short this market. It look like it's not there yet, to do that. But let's go ahead and go down to this daily noise and wrap this on up. Zoom in here. As you can see, during the week, this past week after expiration, we had that first day after expiration where I call it they're loading up. It's one of the things that you will notice. If this market just doesn't take off and start running right after expiration, you usually might get a little bit of hesitation like that, and then it starts running after expiration. And when we had a pretty bullish market, we did go through an R1 and an R2 this week and closed above an R2 this week, and also made a new high again on Friday. So again, it looks like this market is not slowing down. So be careful when it comes to trying to short this market at this time or selling anything on the call side at this time. And that's all I really want to share. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye. I don't know what's going on here. I'm tired. That's what's going on.